Hello everyone and welcome to Pilot's Pathway. I am Captain Kunal. Today we are going to answer one of the most common questions asked by every aspiring pilot, that is, how do I become a pilot? And today we are going to break down every single step for you, that is from medicals to flight training and even the job opportunities. So let's get started.
The battle showing up. Why you talking? You don't know enough. I pull up at the door and tell them, open up. I'm right outside. You know what's up. It's icy in my.
Hey everyone, I am Captain Prerna from Pilot's Pathway. And let's begin with the basic requirement to become pilot in India. First, the minimum age to start your pilot training is 16 years. Second, you need to have 10 plus 2 with physics and mathematics. If you don't have physics and mathematics in your 12th, don't worry. You can appear for these exams through an open board or NIOS, which is National Institute of Open Schooling. Third and the last one is you need to be medically fit as per the DGCA norms.
Hi everyone, I am Anand Koyal and I am director at Pilot's Pathway. So guys, now we'll understand कि class 2 medical and class 1 medical क्या होता है and इनमें फर्क क्या होता है and ये कब ये करना चाहिए, right? So as per the new guidelines on 8 September 2025, class 2 medical आपका 16 years के बाद में आप कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए आपको सिर्फ 10th की मार्कशीट लगती है, आधार कार्ड लगता है, आपका सिग्नेचर एंड फोटोग्राफ, दैट्स ऑल. इसके बाद में आप क्लास 2 मेडिकल के जो DGC अप्रूव्ड डॉक्टर्स हैं उनसे अपॉइंटमेंट लेते हैं एंड अपॉइंटमेंट लेने के बाद में वो आपको कुछ टेस्ट बताएंगे. तो इसमें आपको 5 टेस्ट करवाने होते हैं: आई चेकअप, आपका ENT, आपका ECG, आपका एक्सरे, ब्लड टेस्ट एंड यूरिन टेस्ट, राइट? तो बेसिक चेकअप्स हैं जिसमें 99% बच्चे क्लियर कर लेते हैं. और अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, टेम्परेरी आप अनफिट हो इस चीज़ के बारे में, तो डॉक्टर आपको गाइड करते हैं कैसे इसको ठीक करना है एंड देन यू कैन प्रोसीड विद द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. नाउ पहले क्या होता था कि क्लास 1 के लिए हमको वेट करना पड़ता था, बट अभी विद द न्यू प्रोसेस क्लास 1 मेडिकल जो है वो आप इमीडिएटली आफ्टर क्लास 2 करवा सकते हैं अगर डॉक्टर ने आपको रिकमेंड किया तो, राइट? सो इसमें अब आपको वेट नहीं करना है. क्लास 2 में आपको असेसमेंट जैसे ही होता है यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू दी क्लास 1 मेडिकल्स. एंड क्लास 1 मेडिकल्स में अभी आपके 3 सेंटर्स हैं मेजर. एक आपका बैंगलोर में है, एक दिल्ली में है और एक जोरहाट में है. इसके अलावा अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स अक्रॉस इंडिया एंड नानावटी हॉस्पिटल भी आपके क्लास 1 मेडिकल्स करते हैं, राइट? सो क्लास 2 मेडिकल इस वक्त 4 साल के लिए वैलिड है और क्लास 1 मेडिकल आपका 3 साल के लिए वैलिड है, राइट? क्लास 2 मेडिकल में आपका लगभग 7 से 8 हज़ार का खर्चा आता है एंड क्लास 1 मेडिकल में आपका 10 से 15 हज़ार का खर्चा आता है. एंड ये कॉस्ट ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है डिपेंडिंग ऑन सिटीज, बिकॉज टेस्ट की वैल्यू हर सेंटर पे अलग अलग आती है, राइट? एंड इसके अलावा आपको अगर कहीं भी मेडिकल के लिए अपॉइंटमेंट चाहिए तो हम और हमारी टीम ऑल ओवर इंडिया सारे डॉक्टर से कनेक्टेड हैं एंड वील गाइड यू बाय टेकिंग अपॉइंटमेंट, क्रिएटिंग द EGC ID जिससे कि आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड हो पाए टाइम से, और राइट प्रोसेस एंड फीस को हम लोग आपको गाइड करेंगे.
Hi, I'm Captain Tejas from Pilot's Pathway and I'll explain you the ground training part. Ground classes are where you build your aviation foundations, which cover 6 DGCA subjects, which are as follows. The first subject, which is known as air navigation, which includes the study of flight planning, navigation aids, and different techniques to determine the position and route of the aircraft. The second subject is aviation meteorology, where you'll be understanding weather systems, forecasts, and their impact on flight operations. The third subject is aviation regulations, where you'll be gaining knowledge about aviation rules, laws, and international laws governing in-flight safety. The fourth subject is technical general, which includes basic aerodynamics, engines, systems, and aircraft's performance. The fifth subject is technical specific, which includes detailed study about engines, systems, and limitations of a specific aircraft type. And the sixth subject is radio telephony restricted, which includes study of aviation communication procedures, phraseology, and regulations for safe and efficient air-to-ground communication. Now coming on to the exam part, if you wish to pursue your flying training from India, you have to clear all the 6 DGCA subjects, whereas if you wish to do your flying training from abroad, you have to clear air navigation, aviation meteorology, and air regulations, whereas RTR is optional. This stage not only prepares for your examinations, but also helps you in your flying training ahead.
Now comes the most exciting part about pilot training, that is flight training. Hi, I'm Captain Vikhyat Soon, a commercial pilot
and a ground instructor here at Pilots Pathway. Once you're done with your medicals and DGCA exams, now it's time to hit the skies. You need to complete a minimum of 200 hours of flying from a DGCA approved flight training organization. Here's the usual breakdown. So these 200 hours include 100 hours of PIC, 50 hours of PIC cross country, 40 hours of instrument flying, 10 hours of night flying, which includes 5 hours of dual flight and 5 hours PIC flight, and rest 15 hours of multi-engine flight. All your training has to be done from a DGCA approved flight training organization. During this phase, you'll log everything on a pilot's logbook, which will be just like your flying resume. Every minute counts. Once your 200 hours are complete and you are met with all the requirements, DGCA will issue a commercial pilot license after verification and skill test, just like Checker.
Now let's talk about type rating, your bridge to an airline. Hi, I'm Harsh Bhavnani, a commercial pilot and an instructor at Pilots Pathway. Type rating means you will be trained on a specific type of jet aircraft like the Airbus A320 or the Boeing 737. It includes ground training, simulator sessions, and thereafter you will undergo skill tests with airline standard instructors. Type rating takes about 6 to 8 weeks and it costs roughly close to 15 lakhs depending on where you do it from and which type of aircraft you do it on.
Hello everyone, I'm Chavi Dave, a commercial pilot and a former flight instructor. Today let's talk about the growing opportunities in aviation. The aviation minister recently announced that India will need over 30,000 pilots in the coming years. A clear sign of how fast our aviation sector is growing. I have over 500 hours of flying experience and I'm now working as a ground instructor. Whether you're teaching a student or guiding a student through their first solo or flying across continents, you become a part of a global family. In the last few months alone, we've seen openings for airline pilots, charter pilots, dispatchers, flight, ground and sim instructors, and so many more. The demand for skilled professionals in aviation has never been high. If you're studying under DGCA today, you're preparing for an industry rising faster than ever. With over 1,000 aircrafts ordered, India's aviation future is being built right now, and there's a place for you in it.
So now we are addressing a major question that Indian pilots are not getting job. So the major concern is that airlines are looking for candidates who have strong theoretical knowledge, excellent flying skills, and very good communication and CRM abilities. So this is where Pilots Pathway come into picture. We are having experienced instructors who are giving you one-to-one mentorship to clear your exams. Then we provide study material by experienced instructor and based on last 10 years of DGCA exam pattern. And we also provide simulator training for your practical growth and development. Also, we provide you personality development classes for your emotional and mental growth. We also provide you hostel facilities, which is just near to our institute, and pick-up and drop services are available. Apart from this, we help all the students in their class 2 and class 1 medicals, in their computer number, in NIOS process, and in case of any other further documentation is required, our team is there to help them. And also, we help all our cadets for the flying inquiries. We have international tie-ups and we have Indian tie-ups with top 10 institutes so that we can guide them on how to choose the right flying school for their journey. So if you are dreaming of that airline uniform, it is time to start your preparation seriously and choose the right pathway for your journey. And at last, we are providing 3 scholarships to all our students. One is we provide 15 lakhs of scholarship for all the aspirants, and this they are required to give the internal exam based on DGCA pattern, and students who come first, second and third will get this scholarship for their flying. Second, we are providing academic scholarship based on their 12th class board result. And third, we are providing 25% scholarship to all the girls who want to take their ground classes. So if you're looking forward to start your journey, it begins here at Pilots Pathway.